I can read. Fiona Gets the Sniffles. New York Times best-selling illustrator Richard Cowdrey with Donald Wu. Are you ready? Let's take a look.
Story time with Gitte.
Achoo! Fiona heard a big sneeze. Sniffle, sniff. Fiona heard a big sniffle. Mama, did you hear that sneeze? Did you hear that sniffle? I think Mr. Elephant does not feel well, said Fiona. I want to go see Mr. Elephant, said Fiona. I will help him feel better. Mama said, Not today, Fiona. If you go, you might get the sneezes and sniffles too. But Fiona wanted to help. Fiona went for a walk. She went to see her animal friends. She would ask if they wanted to help Mr. Elephant feel better. Gitte, I want to help Mr. Elephant feel better. What can we do? Asked Fiona. Gitte said, He needs good food. Hot vegetable soup helps sneezes and sniffles go away. But Fiona couldn't get soup. Mrs. Chicken liked corn. Corn is good food. Fiona would ask Mrs. Chicken if she wanted to share some corn with Mr. Elephant. Gitte and Fiona went to see Mrs. Chicken. Mrs. Chicken, I want to help Mr. Elephant feel better. What can we do? Asked Fiona. Mr. Elephant needs soft tissues for his nose, said Mrs. Chicken. Fiona thought about that. She could not get soft tissues, but she could bring Mr. Elephant something soft. Fox. Fiona, Gitte, and Mrs. Chicken went to visit Fox. Fox, I want to help Mr. Elephant feel better. What can we do? Asked Fiona. Mr. Elephant needs rest. Let's sing him a quiet bedtime song, said Fox. The animals went to see Mr. Elephant. Mr. Elephant still sneezed. He still sniffled. Thank you for coming to see me, but I need a rest now, said Mr. Elephant. Fiona, Gitte, Mrs. Chicken, and Fox waved goodbye. They went home. On the way home, Fiona sniffled. Fiona sneezed. Achoo! Mama heard a big sneeze. Sniffle, sniff. Mama heard a big sniffle. Fiona said, You were right, Mama. I went to help Mr. Elephant. He has the sniffles. Now I do too. Mama said, I am proud of you. You helped your friend. Now I will help you. Mama got Fiona good food and soft tissues. Fiona had a good rest too. Fiona felt much better. I hope you enjoyed this book. Don't forget, be good for Mummy and Daddy. Bye-bye.